Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make banga soup with canned banga step by step. Start by gathering ingredients and prepping protein to save time during cooking. I'll walk you through layering flavors, controlling thickness with stock, and achieving balanced seasoning. Follow simple timing tips for meats and seafood, learn quick swaps for absent ingredients, and get troubleshooting advice so your soup comes out rich, aromatic, and ready to serve with starches. Let's cover the ingredients so you know what to buy and prep. The canned banga provides concentrated palm kernel extract, so you often need less cooking time than fresh pulp. Bring a balance with fresh stock, aromatics, peppers, and aburanbeb or ekpin spice if available. Prepare proteins differently. Sear beef longer, add fish late, and simmer chicken until tender. Small adjustments keep the texture and flavor just right. Now we'll cook the soup, step by step, with easy timing cues for home cooks. Sauté onions and peppers, then stir in the canned banga until it smooths and releases oil. Pour stock and simmer gently while tasting for salt and heat, reduce to get your preferred thickness. Add tougher proteins early and delicate fish or shrimp near the end. Finish with fresh greens and rest briefly for flavors to meld.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.